Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve the MCP Management Service error code 15100 that you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, search for services, best match, should come back with services. Go ahead and open that up. You want to go down to the MCP management service. So you might just have to scroll down a little bit and you want to double click on it. You want to set startup type to manual, and then if service status is stopped, select the start button. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and select apply and OK. Close out of here. Open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best result should go back with command prompt. Right click on it and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now type in SFC space / scan out. Scan out should all be one word. Attach that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here, and you want to restart your computer. So there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process. Hopefully I was able to help resolve the issue. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.